selecting some hot products to promote. So by now you surely are all pumped up about becoming an Amazon affiliate, and with good reason. You have seen how easy it can be to find good niches to promote when you know how to do it right. And we wouldn't be surprised to know that you already found the ones to promote on your Amazon affiliate site following the steps that we taught you in our past video, but we are not done with that just yet. You see, once people find a good niche to promote, they tend to think that it will be enough to just review lots of products on their niche of choice, put the links in, and call it a day, but you will hardly make good money by doing so. This is why in this video, we're going to show step by step the strategy behind selecting the hottest products in your niche. Bestseller lists are the key. The Amazon list of bestsellers is a great source of information about what you should promote as an Amazon affiliate, especially because these bestsellers lists will tell you which products are top sellers in the marketplace. Another benefit of looking at these bestseller lists is that you will be getting up-to-date information about hot-selling products, so you can be aware of which products are trending so you can leverage their traffic. How can you select hot products to promote from the bestsellers lists? In our previous video, we showed you how to easily find a bestsellers section for all product categories by going to the Amazon.com/bestsellers URL. From there, you can easily find which of the hottest products are both in your niche and in your niche's category. The way the Amazon bestsellers page is designed will make it easier to find the hottest products in your niche's category first. Start by going to the link leading to your niche's category on the left. In our case, we click on electronics. Here you will be able to find every bestseller product on every other niche from your niche's category. You will be able to locate your niche on the subcategory menu on the left. In our case, home audio and theater. Note how you will find every best-selling product from the subcategory. But because you need to find the products in your niche, you will have to look on the left side menu. In our case, we click on Home Theater Systems. Now let's click on Complete Home Theater Systems, because those are the high-priced products that we're going to promote on our affiliate site. Remember that these will vary depending on the products that you select. Finding the top performers in your niche. Once you find the best-selling products in your niche, you will be able to sort them out and select the hottest ones from the hot new releases, most wished for, and gift ideas lists found in the bestsellers section of your high-priced niche product. The hot new releases lists can give you ideas about new products that can be marketed to people that are always on the lookout for the newest products and gadgets. These lists are especially good if you are promoting electronics, video games, and smart devices. The most wished for lists can give you a very good idea about purchasing intent, because these items are always added to wish lists by people that are going to buy these items on a later date, making these products worthwhile for promotion. And the gift ideas lists will give you a good idea of what items most people consider to be nice gifts, because these are the items that Amazon users are gifting to others, which you can casually mention on your product promotions. This is the easiest way to find the hottest and most profitable products to promote as an affiliate on the Amazon Marketplace.